In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Git repository into Vercel. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can accomplish this smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First off, head over to your web browser and navigate to vercel.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll see an option to sign up, which is a straightforward process. Assuming you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Vercel dashboard, where the magic happens. Now that you're on the dashboard, the next action is to initiate a new project. To do this, look for the Add New Bama button. It usually stands out on the interface for easy access. Once you spot it, click on it, and you'll be given a couple of options. For our purpose, you'll want to select Project. This step sets the stage for importing your Git repository into Vercel, bringing us closer to our goal. Moving on to the third part of the process. Under the section labeled Import Git Repository, you'll see an option to select your Git provider. Whether you use GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, you're covered here. Simply choose the provider where your repository is hosted. This is a crucial step, as it allows Vercel to identify where to pull your code from. Following your selection, you'll need to authenticate and authorize Vercel to access your repositories. This might involve granting specific permissions or following prompts that pop up on your screen. Essentially, this process ensures that Vercel has the right access levels to fetch your project files and settings from your chosen Git provider. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now ready to import a Git repository into Vercel with ease. Remember that each stage is important for ensuring everything is set up correctly and securely. If you encounter any issues or need additional guidance, Vercel's support documentation is a great resource, or you can reach out to community forums where many users share tips and solutions. I hope this guide has been helpful for you, enhancing your ability to manage and deploy projects on Vercel. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coding!